Before we can clear an invoice with NRS, two records need a little extra information. NRS must know exactly who the buyer is, and exactly what each line is. So we prepare two things once, the customer, and the products we sell. After this, raising a cleared invoice is effortless. First, the customer. NRS requires the buyer's tax number and full address, including the city and the postal code, on every invoice. We open our customer Northgate Retail and add those details. We enter their tax identification number, the TIN NRS uses to identify the buyer. Then the parts of the address NRS specifically asks for, the city, and the postal zone. We save the customer. Northgate is now ready to receive cleared invoices. Next, the products. Remember, NRS needs a goods or service code on every line. We set a sensible default back in the setup video, but for the things you sell most, it is better to tag the item itself, then every invoice line for that item is classified automatically, with no thinking. We open inventory and edit our office chair. Partway down the form is the NRS E-Invoicing code section. A chair is a physical product, so it is goods, and it needs an HSN code, the International Product Code. You can search by product name, but the surest way is to type the code. An office chair is a posted sitting, so we type its HS code and pick the matching suggestion, the product category fills in for us. We save the item. From now on, any invoice line that uses this chair is tagged for NRS automatically. That is the preparation. NRS resolves the code for each line in a clear order. A code set on the line itself wins. If there is none, it uses the item's code, and if neither exists, your business default. We have now set the customer details, an item code, and a default, so in the next video, clearing an invoice is a single click.